If you're looking for the quiet of the country with the convenience of the city, welcome home. This incredible split ranch plan won't last long, featuring hardwood floors in the family room and dining room, a large master suite west/double sinks and master bath and walk-in closet, spacious secondary bedrooms and laundry room. Enjoy mornings on the rocking chair front porch and evenings on the back deck. Grilling.Outbuilding is wired, shingles and siding are new. Don't miss out on this one.